Oh shoot. Oh. This is Chai Chai, or Chai. She is my beautiful cat. She's a calico. And we noticed that cat whiskers and cat hair are typically made of two different things. So we wanted to see what a cat whisker looked like underneath a microscope. But you can't just pull out cat whiskers because that would be cruel. Cat whiskers are really sensitive and stuff. So we're gonna have to go and find one. She's sassy.
2 hours later.
We found a whisker. We're gonna put it in this test tube. That was a good one. So put the lid down there. Then I got myself some tweezers. So this is what we're gonna do. Carefully. Oh wow. Carefully. Got it. We got the whisker. Repeat. We got the whisker. So we have successfully put the cat whisker onto the slide, and now we are going to see what it looks like under the microscope. That's really weird actually, because it just looks like a galaxy. Oh! There it is. Oh no. Cat whiskers are really gross underneath this type of thing. They're just so gross. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this plate and then I'm going to switch it to yellow. And then we rise. For some reason on the microscope, the cat whisker is just black. So you can't see through it or anything, but you can see what it looks like. It's kind of rough. The background is nice. It looks like a galaxy.
Watch this.
Watch what? There's like veins or something. Like a dark tunnel. The galaxy went away, but it's like yellow and there's a dark tunnel. That's pretty much how you explain it. Oh, there's some circles. I don't like that. It's like leopard print. And there's some stuff hanging off the side. That's not fun. I think we've reached the end. Ew! The end is gross. The end looks like a nipple. It's sad we can't get a very good focus on it. Oh my gosh. It's like hollow on the inside. It looks like cutting a wood trunk in half. That is so weird. I wonder if those little pockets are like full of liquid or something, but that is pretty weird. It's brown and dark and it's lumpy. Cats are weird. The texture is like rough, but it looks smooth at the same time, so it's kind of weird. Let's go over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lower our plate and I'm going to put it to blue. So unfortunately, this cat whisker is just too opaque, so we cannot see through it. So we can't see very much on blue setting, but we can try. As you can see here, it's brown, and yeah, you really can't see that much. There's a little pointy thing. Move around. There's the edge. It zooms in more, but you get less detail. Probably the most interesting thing that I saw today in this session, the inside looks like a smoothing tree trunk, like those types of wooden chairs that rock back and forth that are made of wood, that type of thing. It looks a lot like that. It looks like polished wood. This has all made me very curious about what regular cat hair looks like under the microscope, not just a whisker. So stay tuned, and we're going to do that in the next video. Chai chai!